Hello, dear children. I welcome you in today's class, and today we will solve the question answers of a different kind of school. Make sure while you are watching this video, your copy pen should also be there with you. You will write your notes in your fair notebook while seeing the video itself. Question number 1 already we had done yesterday in classroom. So I am starting with question number 2. Why do you think the writer visited Miss Beam's school? Answer in the context of the different kind of school. The writer had heard a lot about the school, so due to curiosity, he visited Miss Beam's school. Question number 2. What was the game that every child in the school had to play? Answer in the context of different kind of school. The game is totally different. Every child in the school had to participate. In each term, every child had one blind day, one lame day, one deaf day, one injured day, and one dumb day. And on the decided day, he had to perform like a blind, lame, deaf, or dumb. I hope you have written these two questions answer. Question number 4 I am starting. Complete the line which day was the hardest. Why was it the hardest? Each term every child has one blind day, one lame day, one deaf day, one injured day, and one dumb day. To share the misfortune of the fellow students in school, the children were made to follow the practice to the given days. It was to appreciate and understand misfortune for some. The dumb day was the hardest. This was because the children's mouth could not be bandaged. So they really had to exercise their willpower to remain silent. But the bandaged girl said that being blind was more frightening. Her head ached all the time just from worrying that she would get hurt. However, for her, having a leg tied up and hopping about on a crutch was almost fun. Having an arm tied up was a bit more troublesome because one can't eat without help. She even wouldn't mind being deaf for a day. Dear children, I hope you all have written this. What was the purpose of these special days? Answer the context of different kind of school. The purpose of these special days was to teach toughness, kindness to others, and being responsible citizens, to make the children appreciate and understand misfortune. They were made to share in misfortune too. Now dear children, we will talk about the given exercise, question number 6. Match the words and phrases with their meanings in the box below. See, I am talking about the solutions, and I suggest you directly you solve with the solutions, meaning one side you write the words and in another side keep writing their meanings. Homesick, wanting to be home. Practically, partially, almost. It pains me, it hurts me. Appreciate, understanding the difficulties. Thoughtless, not very caring. Exercise, test the strength of. Relief, a welcome change. Hastily, terribly. Okay dear children, today in this video we will solve these questions only. I hope the time was enough. You could have seen and heard the answers. I am trying to show you once again all the answers. If there is any lacuna, you will write them. Thank you everyone.